Ever since I started making my own pickled jalapenos, it's so hard for me to go back to store-bought. So if you guys have never made them, they're so easy to make. Let me show you guys how. We're gonna start off by cutting the onion into smaller pieces. I'm using 1 small white onion, 4 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna slice them. I'm using 7 jalapeños. I'm only gonna be slicing 4 of the jalapeños. The other 3, we're gonna use them whole. And it's okay to leave some seeds. And last, I'm gonna slice 1 carrot. I've set my pot to low-medium heat with some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna saute the garlic and the onion. We saute for about a minute or so. Next, we add the carrots and saute for another minute. Now we add in the jalapeños and we cook until they change color. After about 3 minutes, we add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of sugar, 3 whole cloves and some black pepper, along with 2 bay leaves and some oregano. And last, a small pinch of thyme. We mix it. And now we add 1.5 cups of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. Give it a stir. And we let it cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, our chiles are now done. I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna let them cool down before adding them into a container. The jalapeños have cooled down and now we're gonna transfer them into a container. And these are good in the fridge for about 4 weeks. All right, guys, moment of truth. My mouth is watering. I love the carrots and the jalapeños. They're super crunchy. They're delicious. I like to add these to salads. When I make huevitos en la mañana, they're perfect. And like I said earlier, once you make your own, you'll never go back to store-bought. Super delicious. They're so good. And there you have it, delicious pickled jalapeños. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.